Hello everyone. I'm going to be demoing my app that I've nicknamed ResaleIQ. I've worked on this app for approximately 250 hours, and it's built with Next.js on the front end, Node.js on the back end. It uses a Postgres database, and it's utilizing Google's Vertex AI for image analysis. I've compiled this code into an iOS app. Essentially, it's a web view using Capacitor. So we can open the app, and I've already created an account, and we can see we're on the login screen. So if I click continue, we'll be logged in, and now we're on the dashboard page. On this page, this is where you can go to upload or take photos of items that you want to get the value of. So if I were to click on this and take a photo, and conveniently take a photo of this Xbox controller next to me, the AI will take this image and analyze it compared to other listings online and try and figure out what the item is, what its resale value is, and how valuable it is. Now that it's done loading, we can see that we have a flip grade, which is at a glance, is this item worth buying or not? We have a resale value of about $30 to $45, what it is, a description of the item, and where else online it's been sold and for what. This is so that you have evidence of, is this item actually worth what it's saying? So that's the dashboard page. We can also go to account, and now we can see, hey, we've already used one of our 250 scans daily. And we have a progress bar to track that. And we can also go to these other pages that we see down here, like our scan history. And we can see all of our previous scans that we've made and the details for each of them. If we go back, we can also go to our profit calculator, and we can select an item from our scan history. And using all the details that AI already gave us, we can see, is this item worth buying or not quickly, or is it worth passing? We can see with the Xbox controller, if we were to sell it online, it'd probably be worth about $20 profit. We can also go to our settings and enable and disable dark mode. And from here we can also get details on what other features the app has, like resale grades, the profit calculator, and the SEO generator. On the SEO generator, you can also upload a photo here, or take a photo. And let me take a photo of the controller again. This also uses Vertex AI, but instead of getting back details for resale price, this is going to give us a description, a title, tags that we may use if we want to resell the item online. And this is supposed to be SEO optimized. And we can also go up here to Photo Studio if we want to create photos for our listings online. So we can take another photo of our controller. And I want a solid white background for this, and I'm going to remove the background. I wrote this remove background feature with Python using rembg. And now we can see that we've just created a listing photo that it has a plain background that we can use online. And that was the short demo of the app, and now let me share some of the code. And this is the front end for ResaleIQ. It's written in TypeScript and built in Next.js. And Next.js is built on top of React, so if you're familiar with React, you'll notice all of the components we have over here. You'll see that every page will have its own state, and most pages will have access to the context. And that context shares the state that's used across multiple pages, like the daily scans being used, user details, loading states, and dark mode. Another benefit of using Next.js are the built-in components that come with it. The link component, for example, is an optimized anchor element that prefetches data for the destinations that you're targeting. So going here to the terms page, it's going to prefetch that data, so that way when I click on this on the UI, it's seamless and instantaneous. There are a lot of things I've done for ResaleIQ over the past few months that I'm proud of that I can't cover in such a short video. From designing the user experience and working on responsiveness and setting this up for an iOS environment. This has been a learning experience, and I'm proud of everything that I've accomplished on this. Thank you.